can wait. I did it again, guys. I did it again. I did it again. I blame you, Fire Mountain Gem, for getting me hooked so many years ago. But I did it again. I told myself I wouldn't do it, and I ignored my inner voice. I broke my promise. I told myself I wouldn't buy any more beads. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no. 1, 2, 3. I admit I have an addiction. Can't help myself. Hey everybody, how are we doing today? My bead addiction did not start with Fire Mountain Gems, believe it or not. It started with Bead Box Bargain. That's where it started, and that's where it's going to end. Because why? Well, they have great deals. What can I say? The only problem is that if you snooze, you lose. So I go on there, I see something I like, and then I go ahead and buy it because I'm afraid that if I don't, I'm going to miss out. So that's why I end up with multiple shipments, and I end up paying extra for shipping, but that's okay. I don't mind because they have great deals anyway. So I don't mind paying a little extra on shipping if I'm saving myself money on beads. I thought I would use my light box today. It's a little bit bright, but I think it's going to help us see the beads a little bit better. And have you seen this tutorial yet? If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'm going to link it down below. This is that beautiful wire wrapped vine necklace that I promised I would make. And hopefully you can check out the video, make one for yourself. It's really, really pretty and it's very comfortable. Anyway, guys, I'm really excited to open up the shipments. So let's go ahead and get started. So only 2 out of the 3 were Bead Box Bargains. So that's what I'm going to open today. I'm not going to open the third one because that was sent to me by somebody else who has requested not to do an unboxing, and I respect that. And so today I'm just going to do 2 of them. So here's the first one. Let me open it up. Okay, dump it out. Here's their little gift. Looks like they're head pins, copper colored. And here are the beads. Let me go ahead and arrange them. Here they are. There's a bit of a glare, but hopefully as I take them out of the packages, you'll be able to see them better. All right, so let's go ahead and go through each one. Here's a bag of 5mm bumpy rope accent beads. And I love using these, guys. These are so handy. I like the size, okay? I have a lot of bead caps, but most of my bead caps are large, and I very rarely come across smaller ones for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I love using these. They're an antique gold color, and they're 5mm, and it was only 99 cents for the bag, and there are 50 pieces in the bag. By the way, guys, a lot of these items may not be available by the time you go check it out, okay? I'm just letting you know in advance because they're great deals, and like I said earlier, if you don't jump on them and purchase them as soon as you see them, you may miss out. All right, let's move on. Okay, here's a strand of 4mm 5 cones in a light rose color, and there are 100 pieces in this strand. Look at this pretty color. I am so attracted to these kinds of pastel colors. I just love them, and I love the sparkle, and they're pretty good quality too. And this strand was only 99 cents. And here's a strand of check glass top drilled teardrop beads in a light pink color, and these are 6x4mm, and there are 100 pieces in this strand, so it's a pretty good deal. And look at these gorgeous beads. It's that same beautiful light rose color, light pink color. As you can see, they're teardrop shaped, so the hole is at the top, and these are absolutely adorable. I love these. And here's the same kind of bead, but this is a dark pink color. Okay, so it's the same dimensions and everything, 6x4mm, 100 pieces. Oh, it's $1.29, by the way. So was this one here. This one was $1.29 as well. What a difference between the light pink and the dark pink, to be quite honest. Just very subtle, but they're very pretty beads. And I purchased some 6mm check fire polish beads, round beads, and this is a light amethyst AB color. Look how pretty that is. Oh boy, this is gorgeous. I love this color, and I love the sparkle. So pretty. I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. And this whole strand was $1.29. There are 50 beads on this strand. And I purchased another strand of 6mm check fire polished round beads, faceted, and these are in a amethyst color. So these do not have AB. They're very beautiful. And again, it's 50 pieces, but this one was actually less. This was only $1 for the strand. I love the sparkle. And here's a strand of 6mm beads in a light sapphire color. And there are 50 pieces in this strand as well. And they're gorgeous. It's just plain sapphire. It's not AB. Very transparent, very pale. But you know, $1 for 50 is a really good deal, guys. I don't know if you've gone out and looked for check beads. Check beads are not that cheap, okay? So when I see $1 for 50, I go for it because it's a really good bargain. And here's another strand. These are 4mm check fire polished faceted round beads in a light green matte color. And I love mixing matte with a clear or AB or even gemstones. It's just a really nice combination, and I love this color. It is so pretty. 100 pieces, 4mm, and it was $1.19. Here's a bag of glass pip beads in a green betrayal color, and these are 5 by 7mm, and there are 48 pieces in this strand. And these are so beautiful. I can see these on those wire wrap necklaces that I make. Look how shiny these are. I just love it. These were $1.99 for the strand. But look at this. This is so beautiful. They remind me of watermelon seeds. A strand of check pressed glass flower beads in an amethyst color, and there are 50 pieces in this strand. And again, you know, it's that floral theme, that botanical theme that I like to use. I like to use these in the wire wrap necklaces that I make, and these would look absolutely gorgeous. But, you know, they're drilled across, so these would look nice on a necklace or a bracelet as well. But you get quite a few. Okay, that's a pretty good deal. 50 flower beads for only $1.99. There's no AB on it, it's just plain glass, but I love the color. And here's a bag of jump rings. I go through jump rings like crazy, and these are they vary in size. They're at 4 to 10mm in dimension, and they're in an antique silver finish. I can honestly say the jump rings that I've purchased from Bead Box Bargains in the past are pretty good quality. And of course, whenever I see chain, I purchase as much as I can because it's not going to last. Usually when they have it on the site, it sells pretty quickly. And I purchased 2 meters of this beautiful steel curb chain in an antique copper finish. And let me pull it out so you can take a look. Here it is. And the lengths are 5.5 millimeters by 3.5 millimeters. So they, you know, they're a pretty good size. And the finish is not real shiny. It's a little bit on the matte side. But I think it's still really, really pretty. Okay, and here are 2 meters of steel textured oval chain in a silver finish. Let me pull them out. Now this is a really nice size, okay? It's a beautiful finish and it's a nice size. The lengths are about 3.5 millimeters by 2 millimeters. So it's not dainty chain, but it's, you know, small, so it's on the trendy side. Dainty chain is trendier in my area anyways. I'm not sure if it's the same in other areas, but I know that on the East Coast, that's what a lot of women are wearing. So this is the full shipment, and as you can see, I'm still in the spring colors for some reason. Well, you know, they were on sale, so that's probably why they're trying to get rid of their spring colors. So let me go ahead and clear this out, and I will open the second shipment. This is a much heavier bag. I don't know if I purchased more beads or if they're just bigger beads. It looks like I purchased more beads. And here's the little gift. Some ear wires in a copper color. Very generous. All right, let me go ahead and push this to the side because it's a whole lot to arrange here and I don't want the surface to be too busy. And here are 2 bags of 6 millimeter leaf bead caps. One is in an antique gold color and you get 50 pieces in a bag. And it was only 99 cents for the 50 pieces. I love these. These are so cute. I love using these. And I also got it in an antique bronze color. And again, it's 50 pieces for 99 cents. They're just the right size for most beads that are like 6 millimeters in dimension. Yeah, I love using these. These are really cute. And here's a bag of 8 petal bead caps, and these are 8mm in dimension, and there are 20 pieces, and it's a brass finish, and this was 99 cents as well. Here are 2 bags of the fancy round bead caps, 10mm in size. I've purchased these before and I absolutely love them. They're so beautiful. It's an antique silver finish, and there are 10 pieces in the bag, and it was 99 cents per piece, so it was $2 for the 20. And here's a strand of 4mm bicones, crystal bicones in a metallic rainbow iris finish. And I know I've purchased these before, and I think we got these in the June bargain bead box, and I had to go get some more because they're just absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. 100 pieces in the strand. It was only 99 cents, so I couldn't resist. Look how pretty that is. And here are 2 strands of the 6mm fire polished glass faceted beads, round beads in a light sapphire color. Each strand has about 50 pieces, and they're not AB, it's just plain sapphire. Very beautiful, and it was only $1 a bag, so I had to get 2. And again, it's that spring color, but that's okay, I can use them for next spring. And here's a strand of 6mm fire polished faceted round beads in a medium amethyst color. Now these look very similar to the other ones I purchased from the first shipment. Let me take a look at them and put them side by side to compare. So this one was labeled amethyst, and these were labeled medium amethyst. And I think there is a slight difference in color. These are a little bit darker, I think. Nevertheless, they're absolutely gorgeous. I love these, and it was only $1 for 50 pieces. Here are 2 strands of 7mm check fire polished faceted round beads in a peachy pink color. So let me pull one out and take a look. Very pretty. I love these. They're absolutely gorgeous. Definitely peachy. You could definitely use these for a summer piece. And it was only $1.19 for 50 pieces, and I got 2 strands, so that was not a bad deal. $1.19 per strand, 100 beads for $2.40 approximately. And here's some 4mm fire polished faceted matte pink colored beads. When I saw these on Bead Box Bargain, I went nuts because I love using these in spring pieces. I just love these. I use these so much this past spring. So when I saw these, I went crazy, and I bought myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags, guys. I bought 6 bags. Each one was $1, and there are 100 beads per bag or per strand. Let me pull one out and show you. Here it is. I love the matte pink. I just love it. It is so pretty. It is beautiful. And they look gorgeous in necklaces, spring necklaces, floral themed necklaces. So yeah, I went pretty crazy with these. 600 beads for $6. That's not a bad deal. So here's the same bead, but this is a teal color, and it's that matte finish. And I love this one. When I saw this one, I had to get it. And again, it's 100 pieces per strand. I got myself 2 strands, and it was at $1 for 100 beads. So $2 for 200 beads. Look how beautiful this is. These are so gorgeous. They also had them in a lime green color, so I bought myself 2 bags. This is such a pretty green. It really is. Look how beautiful and rich that is. And you know, I don't always like sparkle, you know, matte looks really nice when you team it up with some other beads. But I just love this lime green color. It's so pretty. And again, it's 2 bags, 100 beads per strand per bag, and it was $1 per strand. And here's the same bead in a topaz color, matte. This is actually dark topaz. And this color would look really beautiful with gemstones, with jasper or agate. And this is actually a fall color. You could use this in a fall necklace. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, 100 beads per strand, $1 per strand. So $2 for 200 beads. And here's a strand of faceted 4mm beads, but these are not matte, in a beautiful olive green color. I love this color. It is so gorgeous. And again, it's 100 pieces per strand, $1 for the strand. And I did get myself some gemstones. So this is agate, 6mm size, in a violet crackle finish. Really, really pretty. Look how rich that color is. It's so gorgeous. And the strand is about 15.5 inches, so it's pretty long. And I just counted the beads. There are about 62 beads in the strand, and it was only $2.19. And as you can see, there are quite a few variations and striations and some transparency on some of the beads. Very pretty. Purchased a strand of the same color in the 8mm size. So yeah, there are different variations in colors, and I love these. These are so beautiful. I love that there's a variation in color. This one was a little bit more. This one was $2.79, and it's 15.5 inches long, and there are about 48 beads in this strand. In the multicolored iris finish, and I think we got these in the June bargain bead box as well. And this is a 15-inch strand, and it was only $3.79, and there are about 50 beads in this strand. And I also purchased some nickel-free steel hook ear wires, and I got myself 5 bags. There are 20 pieces in each bag, and it was only 39 cents per bag. So that's why I got so many bags. I thought it was so cheap. And these are really easy to use. I use these a lot. They're just plain ear wire hooks. But you know, sometimes that's all you need. Sometimes it's better to use something plain. Nickel free is important because, so many people have issues with nickel. Anyway, there are 20 pieces in each bag, and I got myself 5 bags, so that's 100 ear wire hooks. Pretty good deal, 39 cents a bag. And it looks like I did get the leaf bead caps in the antique silver, 50 pieces per bag, and just like the other ones, it was only 99 cents per bag. Here they are. Very cute. Okay, well that's it for today. It's a pretty big bead haul, as you can see, and I'm going to be making some beautiful pieces. Definitely a lot of spring colors there for next year, and some fall colors and a few summer colors, but lots of choices, and I can't wait. Harris Teeter Traders Fruit and Nut Trail Mix. Oh my gosh, I love this mix. It's absolutely delicious. I allow myself a little snack from time to time. This one has 120 calories for 3 tablespoons, so that's not too bad. I usually have maybe a tablespoon, not a lot, because I'm still on a maintenance diet, so I have to be very careful, and I've been pretty successful so far. I can honestly say that, my weight has stabilized. It's not going up or down. I'm pretty happy with it. And anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.